The common iliac artery splits into the external and the internal iliacs. From the external, we have the deep circumflex artery that goes upwards, and just close to the inguinal ligament gives off the inferior epigastric, and then continues as the femoral artery. From the internal iliac splits into the anterior and the posterior divisions. From the posterior division, we have two branches. First, the iliolumbar that continues upwards, as shown here. Then we have the lateral sacral, and it continues as the superior gluteal. From the anterior division, the umbilical artery gives rise to the superior vesicle and the artery to vas deferens. The umbilical artery then continues to form the medial umbilical ligament. The anterior division then gives off the obturator artery. The obturator artery gives off a branch to anastomosis with a branch from the inferior epigastric to form the corona mortis. Next, from the anterior division, gives off the uterine, the vaginal, the inferior vesicle in males, the middle rectal, the inferior gluteal. The anterior division then continues to become the inferior pudendal artery, giving rise to many branches such as the inferior rectal, the perineal artery, the posterior labial branches in females, and the posterior scrotal in males, the artery of bulb of vestibule in females, and the artery of bulb of penis in males. It also gives rise to the dorsal artery of penis in males, the dorsal artery of clit in females, and deep artery of penis in females, deep artery in males, deep artery of clit in females, and ureteral artery. I'm going to provide, so I hope these condensed notes help you guys out, just to give you a summary of what you have seen earlier, but in a more notes manner. So that's the common iliac artery, gives you beginning, termination, some relations around it. This is the external iliac with the branches as well. You can stop the video to pause and look at the notes well. This is the internal iliac. Okay. And branches of the posterior division. This is branches of the anterior division. And that's the end of it here at the top of page 63. Hope this was useful, and I'll see you guys in the next one.